Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is the price prediction of Cardano ADA. Let's find out the volume of ADA, and this is the short-term price analysis. You can see the volume is around 2.0, or you can say the 2 billion is the current volume, with 17% volume is down. So it means that the selling volume is not that high. You can clearly see down there the volume has dropped significantly. You can see here the volume has dropped significantly, and this is the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart, and you can clearly see the price is now making a move like this one, which happened here. Okay, when the price started to move in the accumulation zone like this one. Okay, now if I show you the volume like this one, very low volume. Okay, so low volume is necessary to not for high selling. You can clearly see the price, let me show you. The price is making low swing lows, and the higher lows, lower highs and higher lows. Here you can clearly see it is forming a pattern like this one. Let me show you this one here. Okay, one and this one. Okay, so making higher lows and lower highs, although this trend line is not good, but okay, I'm gonna show you 2.3 is a good level of support for the Cardano for now. Okay, the reason being, once we saw the level of 3.1 and 2.9 got tested, and also this trend line was broken. If I show you, I made the video a few days ago about this trend line. It is a valid trend line. You can clearly see this was the point of confluence here. We saw a rejection from this trend line and the horizontal resistance, and afterwards the price came up to make the all-time high at 3.1, and it was unable to break. And usually what happens after the breakout, we retest, and this area there was a gap here, and it got retested at this level, and the level was maintained and held. It tried to break above this trend line. This is again another point of confluence at this area around 2.685, and we saw a rejection from this level. The price again retested, so you can see the price is testing this level multiple times, making it weaker. So any high selling volume could easily break below. Okay, could easily push the price to the downside, and the next area of support that would be somewhere around this area, $2. Okay, so this is very critical point for the ADA. The reason, the more times a level is tested, it means the more time it means the level is getting weaker, and this usually happens every time. But the main thing is that if we see a low volume like this one, which is right now, if we see a low volume like this one, okay, it would mean that there is not a lot of selling. Okay, whatever the direction is, you have to look for the volume. You have to look for the volume. As you can see, the price, let me show you one more time. You can clearly see the price here, the volume, the downward volume comparing to these two candles was very small, was very less. That is why the support was held at 2.3. okay, then this small candle and the small volume also showed that the price doesn't wants to go down below 2.3. The next candle was the green candle, the high volume candle. It tried to retest this level of support, making a head and shoulder here, mini head and shoulders you can call. So what happened afterwards? The price again tried to retest the level at these two red candles with very small volume. So again, tricking the people into selling the ADA at a cheap price. But again, this candle which is forming right now, that you can see clearly the price is might be gonna accumulate at this area. We might gonna see some accumulation if we see small volumes, again small candles, small volume bars around this area. Okay, small volume bars, and the candles continue to hold. Okay, because this pump which was due to the hard fork of Alonso hard fork, you can clearly see the price was in the bullish trend for so many days, from 21st July, and it was continuously moved up to make all-time high around to September. So it was approximately 50 days of upward move. So after the 50 days move, the retest is necessary. It is a healthy retest. Okay, Cardano is here for the long term. Okay, so the buyers, the traders, you can see the buyers of this coin are basically, they need to trade it for the long term. This is not short-term coin. Okay, this is basically a long-term coin, and what you have to do is to buy it for the long term, just like you buy the Ethereum and other large cap coin. So basically what I want to tell you is that 2.3 is a strong level of support. After a strong bullish move, after a strong parabolic move, this level usually happen, and now we need to consolidate to make a new support. If we take a look in the past, there is no support being created. And also guys, important thing, very important, 61.80, a golden pocket guys. This is the golden area for any coin. For any coin, this is a golden Fibonacci level, and the price is making accumulation at this area. That would be healthy accumulation. So it needs to stay above, or it needs to range in between 2.4 to 2.3, or hardly. So it has to range in between, I would say 2.6 to 2.3. that would be a healthy accumulation. Okay, the price needs to hold this level for a few days at least, so that we can say the price is now holding the support at 2.3, 2.4, 2.6, and that would be good for the bullish move. Once we hold this level of support there, people are gonna buy this level. Okay, right now the people are not agreeing to buy, so that is why the price is going down and down. But here the people have started not to sell at this level with a very low volume. You can clearly see low volume means people are not willing to sell the volume. They are not willing to sell at this level, so they are basically accumulation going on. But if we see any large selling volume, the price can go down to $2 as well, and that would be the level of support. And this level has already been tested once, but this is a weak level of support, because in the past this level has only been tested once. Okay, once, or you can say twice. So it is a weak level, but you can say $2 can also be tested. But that is the current scenario of the Cardano. Hold it for the long term. It is here to stay for the long term. So that is the price analysis of Cardano ATA coin. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.